Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and we're going to scale a building plan PDF. Let's get started. I've just opened up a fresh drawing page. There is two ways to pull in your drawing. I can simply go into import and export, insert an image and obviously find the file that way, or I can just drag and drop my drawing in. This is just a generic one off the internet. I put it roughly where I need it. Let's scale it to size. Let me zoom in a bit and then I go to drawing, edit image, select reference points, and then I go from here to here. And now I need to select my target distance. So the distance I need is 3718 millimeters. Apply, and there you go. This is now scaled to size. So let me zoom out, get it where I need it. And now what I can do is go into layers, assign it to layers, new layer. I'll call this a PDF. Click OK. Click OK again. So now I've assigned it to a layer. I can lock this down because I don't want it moving. I go into here, PDF, lock, click apply, click OK, and there you go. That is now locked down where I need it. So when I drag a wall in now, every time I drag my wall, I'm not dragging my drawing with me. I hope this helps. If you did enjoy this video, please stay tuned for more to come.